So North West Cambridge is a 150 hectare development being delivered by the university, and our aim is to make it a sustainable and enjoyable place for people to live and work, both for university employees but also for the wider public, and providing all sorts of facilities for those people as well, from 3,000 homes and 2,000 student accommodation places to supermarkets, retail, a school, community centre, lots of open space. Our aim is to make it a new, vibrant, sustainable and a livable place. But also, it has to be integrated to the city. It can't be a university enclave, it has to be something that feels part of the city. And because of that, all the open spaces, all of the spaces around the buildings and the facilities that we have here will all be provided for the city as well as the university workers.
Calford-seaden became involved in North West Cambridge about 2014. We were employed for NEC Supervisor, so to supervise the installation of the site.
The NEC Supervisor assumes responsibility for all aspects of quality and compliance to the works information, which is in essence the client's brief. We do this by checking the materials and components used on site against the specification and setting quality benchmarks. We have also, with the support of the University of Cambridge, implemented a quality award scheme to recognise good workmanship on site. A scheme of this scale, the difficulty and with so many contractors on site, is ensuring that the same quality is being achieved across all the lots. We have done this by what we call component benchmarking, where in the past you had traditional benchmarking for, say, a section of brickwork. We now have a whole component comprising brickwork, a window reveal, window sill, balcony, etc.
We started as NEC supervisors, but because of our multidisciplinary arrangement, we were very quickly picked up by the university to then start looking at particular elements of the project. I was more involved in the district heating network, but not as the NEC supervisor, but actually giving direct advice to the university in a separate role. So we, I think, were able to step outside of our original role and offer sort of added value and added expertise to the team.
The main challenges have, for the delivery team particularly, have been in literally delivering the aspirations of quite a strict design code. How we develop the architectural references within the development. We have quite high aspirations in terms of design life, really high sustainability desires, which we've achieved throughout. We all worked really hard to make sure that we didn't let go any element of the quality that we saw, even when there was design pressures and programme pressures. Calford-seaden were really key to us achieving our adherence to the BIM model desires and outputs. They worked really closely with us, so they were always knowing where we were with the design, because they reviewed with us every step of the way to make sure we got what we bought and what we needed in the end.
Well, as phase one is now coming to an end, you can see already the standards that have been achieved for this development, which is an important one because this will set the intent for all the subsequent phases. The awards are now starting to come in for the University of Cambridge already on this development, and we are very proud to be entrusted by the University of Cambridge to play such a pivotal role in this process and achieving this quality. Yeah, I feel privileged to have worked on it.
The team we've had from Calford-seaden, their tenacity has just been incredible. They've stuck with the programme, they've worked really hard to ensure that as a client that we received what we asked for from our contractors, and they've always had the best interests of their client and the community that will be living here at heart when they're doing their jobs.